Hello and welcome to our MIS presentation. This presentation will be delivered to you by Ebru, Yusuf and myself, Layla. For this assignment we have decided to do task 2. This involves starting up a new business and planning the IT infrastructure and designing the management information system. Our presentation will be as follows.
Our company. Booking a table has never been easier with Passion's online reservation system, which allows customers to book reservations via the company's website or telephone system. Simply register as a member and book a table online within minutes. Customers also have the ability to personalise their experience by customising their table with Passion extras to provide a unique atmosphere.
This is where customers can choose from a variety of different themes for different occasions, from birthday parties to romantic dinners, business meetings to family gatherings. Passion has the solution. Therefore, our target market is not a specific age group, gender or class, but it is anyone who's willing to take a futuristic approach to dining.
Passion provides its customers with a variety of multicultural food, including Mediterranean food from countries such as Turkey, Greece, Italy, Cyprus and Spain.
Chinese. French.
And Arabic. Business model. We have separated our business model by internal functions and external functions. Externally, customers can register online or book a table either through our telephone system or company website. Internally, customers can order and even pay from their table. This connects to the central access point which employees have access to. This diagram shows how all the departments within the restaurant are connected to the central database in a star layout.
Competitive advantage. One question that must be raised is, how can information technology help Passion to gain a competitive advantage? Information technology at the present time is one of the most crucial factors for a business to not only be successful, but at least competitive between other similar businesses on the market.
Our restaurant is based on the idea that a unique information system is the passport to success within our sector. Investing a vast amount of money within technology can help Passion distinguish itself from other restaurants, while keeping in mind that technology is forever changing.
Technology. We will need to take into consideration the cost involved in creating a management information system. The bulk of the cost will be in the hardware, training, maintenance and possible upgrades of the hardware. The touchscreen tables in our restaurant will be expensive and will require maintenance and support. All the devices in our restaurant will need to be interlinked. There are many different topologies in order to achieve this, such as a bus, ring or star. We will be using the star topology, as each device is directly connected to the central access point or server and is not reliant on each other. However, this topology happens to be the most expensive option due to the wiring costs. Nevertheless, we are aware of the fact that the network will still be vulnerable to server failure, but we will ensure that this is prevented to the highest degree.
The restaurant may encounter possible security threats. Therefore, the system will have to be encrypted and password protected. The entrance to the restaurant will also be through the use of staff access cards.
In the event of any technical issues which could arise, backup will help restore data. We have decided to have a second backup server and also have data backed up on a USB memory stick. In this way, the sensitive information will be secure and safe. firewall, in the form of hardware, will be in place, and antivirus protection is also necessary in order to protect the software and business data.
Hardware. We believe 1 terabyte should be more than sufficient to run our system. The application of Passion should support SQL queries and real-time. The kitchens will be equipped with monitors so that staff can view the upcoming orders in real time.
There will be a help button on each table so that customers can request help when required. Our restaurant aims to be environmentally friendly. Receipts will be emailed to customers unless they request a hard copy. A printer will be on site for this.
Software.
We have decided to use bespoke software for our system. This would allow Passion to have unique software which meets the exact system requirement specification. Bespoke software is much more flexible than packaged software, as you are able to modify and change the software over time as your requirements change. In addition to this, if any problem should happen to occur, then Passion will have the advantage of contacting the team directly for support rather than having to wait for updates like that of generic software. Also, we must ensure that we have a copy of the source of program and application, as we do not want our system to be too reliant on its developers.
A clear and easy to use interface will reduce training costs, and it will also make it easier for customers to use the LED table. Due to the presence of advanced technological equipment, there will be IT support on premises in case of any problems.
Website.
Since Passion offers a wide variety of multicultural food under one roof, it also makes it easier for its customers to use the website because they can select the language of their choice. In our website, we will have the feedback forms to help us with market research, and prizes can be won by those who do complete these forms.
The website has a variety of users and provides a lot of information. A creative web page can be striking for potential customers and will play an important role in advertising our restaurants, services and facilities.
Entity relationship diagram. This ERD shows how all 11 of our entities are related. The customer entity is related to the account entity, which stores the customer's logon information. It is also related to the bank details entity, where all customers' bank details are stored, including account number, sort code, expiry date, and security code. Customers can create a booking. Whilst booking, customers can add Passion extras and choose a specific table. Each table has a table ID, as well as details of size, number of seats, availability, and any additional notes such as service history. Once in the restaurant, customers can place an order. This is from their table. Each order has a unique order ID, which is responsible by an employee. Each menu item has a food ID, which also contains a stock count for stock control purposes. Each transaction is recorded in the payment table with authorization code and is obviously connected to the bank details entity. SQL statements. One SQL query that will be of great use for management is to see how many customers have booked reservations at a particular date or time. This is important as it allows management to prepare for a high volume of people and enables them to have enough time to get everything ready before the customer enters the restaurant. Other managerial queries can be used to aid in strategies such as pricing. For example, a query could be used to show all prices that cost under £1. KPI model. KPI helps a business track their objectives. A KPI can have a target, a set of ranges. The objectives of a KPI model are either to model your present structure and strategy, or to search for a new strategy. The KPI we have created provides an insight to our priorities so that we can make better decisions. It is important that we have sales data because then we can manage our sales activities more effectively and gain more control over our business's future. We have created a dashboard unique to our business. The user starts by selecting a year at which they wish to view. On the left-hand side, we can see a graph showing the number of customers. On the right-hand side, we can see a monthly turnover comparison chart. At the bottom left-hand side, we can see the number of tables in use at a particular moment in time. Customer ratings are shown through feedback reports. The current statistics box shows current staff available, the average time taken to cook, and the number of online customers at our website. Finally, the pie chart at the bottom right-hand side helps management see what dishes are more popular than others.
Eating and drinking is a part of life. We believe our restaurant has not only demonstrated the way in which a management information system could help improve the way in which a business can operate in order to be successful, but it has also helped change the way in which we as a society conduct our daily lives.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.